Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily export your Miro dashboard to PDF. So what you want to do is go to top left and click export this board and click here save as PDF. Export frames as a PDF document. Yes. To export your board as PDF you need to create at least one frame. Each frame will become a separate page in the exported document. Create a frame. I'm going to have a custom frame. Or I can, let's say I'm going to A4 and I'm going to move to the frame, and as you can see, like this, I'm going to add also here, and everything is right now in frame. So I'll click export, save as PDF, export and open. And voila, here we have my own Miro PDF board. And as I mentioned, or as it was the guided, the more frames you're gonna have, the more PDF pages you're gonna see. So this is pretty much it how it works. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.